playing around with like direct cooking on the coals. We'll be putting things in pots and pans on the grills themselves, and it's all done within the oven. Beetroots, root vegetables are so good over fire and in cold. Just a little bit of oil in there. Right. So if you've got time, do it like this. If you haven't got time, then maybe boil them. Root vegetables, just a layer of salt at the bottom. I'm going to do a little bit over the top. It just intensifies the flavour a little bit more by drawing out that excess moisture. Really good for potatoes, particularly for mashed potatoes. If you're going to bake them first and then take that mash, then you're intensifying that potato flavour. As I said, everything is cooked over fire. The variables can change. Quantities, timings, there is no real timing. We're constantly checking and trying. We have a rough idea, but sometimes it might be a little longer, sometimes a little less. Yeah. And when you're cooking over cold, it's a lot easier in these ovens because they do contain the heat. It's largely, it's like a salsa verde, but it's mostly coriander, garlic, vinegar, a little bit of cumin and olive oil. And they often have them with wrinkled potatoes. I think it's such a lovely zesty sauce to have with vegetables anyway. So we're going to have this with our beetroot. So 2 regular garlic. And like I said, vinegar. It's quite a vinegary sauce. So we're going to give a good splash of that in there. Having a quality vinegar for this is paramount. You've smelt how good that is and you've tried it in the salsa roja. Because there's a lot of vinegar in it, you want it to taste nice, it's not worth getting, spend some money on a good menu for that one. 19 course. I used to. Part of my job.
Is it going to be in the keeps it?
Yeah.
It's not.
It's all different. Look at that.
That's beautiful.
Alright, so that's what we can. Yeah.
You just take them.
And then finally, this is fennel pollen, which is the flowers of the fennel plant, and they're just amazing.
Oh, yum.
Oh.
We have pickled kumquats. Yep, you can use all of that.